Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of this amazing module, Generative AI in Coding. So in today's video, we'll explore a powerful technique that is code debugging using prompts in ChatGPT. So yeah, as you guys know, debugging is an essential skill for developers and it can sometimes be a challenging and time-consuming process. But don't worry, with the help of ChatGPT's prompts, we can simplify and expedite our debugging efforts using only prompts. Alright, so before we start, let me just tell you what code debugging is. So code debugging is actually the process of finding and fixing errors or bugs in the source code of any software. So when software does not work as expected, computer programmers study the code to determine why any errors occurred. So yeah, this is basically a very easy concept for you to understand, but that's not why we're here. Today I'll demonstrate you exactly how we can do that using ChatGPT and using different prompts. So yeah, this will be the prompt formula that we'll be using for code debugging. So first of all, you will write in your code, and after giving some spaces, then you'll type scan the following code for potential problems. So this exact prompt formula can really help you to get your work done of code debugging. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and let's just jump right into our ChatGPT. Alright, so for our first example, I've taken a Python code that divides random number that you put into your parameters. So I've taken a function of divide numbers, then I have also initialized that in the form of result over here. And yeah, at the end I have printed the values with the parameters inside 0 to 10. So yeah, now it will divide all those values one by one, but there can be a problem in this code, which can be 0 can be in denominator, right? So yeah, that can prove to be an error for us in the code. So if I can go ahead and run this code just to check if it's working or not. So yeah, as you guys can see, we do happen to find an error in that, because obviously if 0 would come in denominator in this code, we will have a math error over here. So what exactly can we do? We can simply type this code in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to help us remove the error in this code using the prompt formula that I just told you guys earlier. So let's just go to our ChatGPT now and type in our same code. And after giving some spaces, I'm just gonna type in my same prompt formula, which was scan the following code for potential problems. So yeah, now let's just hit enter and see if ChatGPT can help us remove the error for us in this code. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, not only ChatGPT helped us remove the error in this code, but it also explains stepwise like what exactly was the problem. So you said the code you provided seems to be a simple function that divides two number. However, there is a potential problem in this code, which is print divide number 10 to 0, which I just told you guys. The problem lies in attempting to divide a number by 0 in most programming language, including Python. Dividing by 0 results in an error that is known as zero division error. So yeah, that's exactly what we were talking about. So yeah, ChatGPT has helped us remove that error for us, and it also gave us a new code that has fixed that error for us. So it has added if and else function, and it says if b in the denominator will not be equal to 0, then our function will work smoothly. Other than that, in else function, if b would be equal to 0, and then it will print that error division by 0 is not allowed. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this code, go to my compiler, paste it right here, and try to run that just to see if this is working for us or not. So yeah, first of all, it's just saying enter a numerator. So I'm gonna enter my numerator as, let's just say 8. So after that, let's just take a denominator as 4. So yeah, the answer it just gave us is 2.0, which is absolutely fine. So let's just go ahead and try to run once again. Let's just see that 0 divisible error has been solved or not. So let's just go ahead and enter 4, and for the denominator, now I'm gonna enter 0. So yeah, now it's not giving me any error. Instead, it's just showing me the output that error division by 0 is not allowed, which was in our else function. So yeah, with the help of that, now you can see our error in the code has been fixed successfully. And yeah, thanks to ChatGPT's prompt suggestion, now we are able to quickly identify and fix the bug. So yeah, that will be it for today's video on code debugging using prompts in ChatGPT. So yeah, I hope you found this technique helpful, and I hope it does improve your debugging skills in future. So yeah, that will be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye.